Hello all. In this tutorial, we are going to learn keystroke events simulation. It means keyboard events simulation, keyboard action simulation on web application in Catalan Studio. Generally, we use the built-in keywords of Catalan Studio for performing actions on the web elements or web objects like the setText keyword or the click keyword. These are the built-in keywords that we generally use. But sometimes we need to use the keyboard actions to perform actions on web elements or web objects, because sometimes these click or set text actions does not support some of the web elements or web objects, or sometimes it is the need of that particular scenario to perform actions from the keyboard. So let's learn how to use the keyboard actions or keystroke events simulation in web application. To learn about keyboard actions, I have used this test keyboard actions test case in Catalan Studio. In this test case, I have added the test steps to perform the confirm appointment on Cura Health application. I will execute this test case so that you will understand what are the steps that we are performing in this particular test case. So in this test case, we are logging into Cura Health application. After logging in, we will fill the details in all the fields to book the appointment. And appointment is confirmed, and now we are going to log out. So these are the actions that we have performed in this test case. So let's learn how to use the keyboard actions. I'm going to use the keyboard actions on this comment text object, where we have added test comment as a comment in that text box. So we are going to use the backspace keyboard action on this object text box, comment text box. So for that, the syntax is webui dot send keys. We will use this one without failure handling parameter, and we have to give the object and the string str keys. So I will give this object, that is the comment text box, and I will enter keys dot chord, and in this I will mention keys dot, I'm going to use the backspace key. So I will say backspace, and here you will get the backspace key. Now I will save this and we will execute this. What this action will do is I will enter test comment in the comment box with this step, and this step will remove one character from this comment test comment, because we are going to enter backspace key. So let's check. Now it has entered test comment in the comment and removed one character, that is T, from the test comment. So our test is passed. This way you can use the keyboard actions. So you can use multiple keyboard actions. For example, I have used here backspace and it has removed one character. I can add one more time backspace by giving plus sign and then again repeat this action. So this will use the backspace 2 times. After that, I will show you how to use the control or shift or alt buttons. You can use those buttons as well from the keyboard and they perform the action the way we perform from the keyboard. So I will use send keys. Again, I will use the same object. We have used backspace 2 times over here. So what it will do, it will remove T and N from this test comment, and here we will use keys dot chord and keys dot control, and with this control I will use A. If we use control A, what happens? We can select the complete text. So with this control A on this object text comment, it will select the complete whole text from that object, from that text box, and then we can delete the complete text from that text box using the delete button from the keyboard. So I will use the same step with keys dot delete. So these are the actions that we have added. So what these actions will do, we will enter the text in the text box, that is test comment. Then we will use the backspace key of the keyboard, which will remove the T and N character from this comment. Then we have used control A, so it will select the remaining text, and then we have used delete button, which will delete the complete comment from the comment box. Let's execute this. In the test comment, it has removed two characters. It has selected the complete text and removed the text. Our test is passed. It will log out. And this way you can use the keyboard actions or keystroke actions. So if we go here and check keys dot, you will find many different keys that you can use, that is add, alt, all the keys from the keyboard you can use over here to perform actions on any of the objects. Arrow down, arrow left, right, arrow up, backspace we have seen, cancel, clear, command, decimal, delete, divide, down, end, enter key, tab key. You can even use the function keys F1 to F12, help key, insert, and the combinations of the keys. you can also use the numpad. Let's see how to use the numpad keys. Here I had given delete, so I will keep it as it is. And after deleting, I will use the numpad key to add a number in the comment box. So I will add keys dot numpad 1. So it will add 1 from the numpad using the numpad key from the keyboard in the comment box. So let's execute and check what it will do. It will use the backspace keys twice, which will remove N and T. Then it will use the Control A, which will select test comment completely. And then it will delete the test comment and it will add 1 to the comment text box. So let's execute. In the comment box, it has added test comment, then removed 2 characters, selected and removed completely by delete button and entered 1 by using the num key. And it will log out and our test is passed. So this way you can use the keyboard actions, or you can say keystroke actions, to perform some actions on some of the test objects wherever required. Syntax for it is webui.send keys the object, and after the object we have to give keys.cod and in the bracket keys dot, then select the key whatever you want. If you want to give the keys in the combination, you have to give the combination after that, or if you want to give multiple keys at the same time, then you have to add the keys with the plus sign. If you are new to this channel and would like to learn Kathlon Studio from beginning to advanced, please click subscribe and bell icon below this video. Please do not forget to like and share. Thank you.